Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to change password in Zangi Messenger app. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your Zangi app. You'll come across this place, but go to search, go to your setting icon, and then tap on your profile. There you can see the option of change password. Tap on it. You have to enter your password. I've copied my password. I've pasted it. I'll copy it and paste it. Now tap on continue. After that, there you go, your password has been changed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Zangi content.